RJ45. The backbone of local networking, the RJ45 connector. The RJ45, registered Jack 45, is the universal standard for wired Ethernet networking. If the RJ11 is the symbol of the analog telephone era, the RJ45 is the symbol of the digital age. It is a modular 8-position, 8-contact, 8P8C connector designed to terminate twisted pair cabling, such as Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a. Its primary role is to provide a standardized, secure, and high-speed physical interface between network interface cards, NICs, switches, routers, and wall jacks. Physical architecture, the 8P8C design. The term RJ45 technically refers to a specific wiring standard, but in common IT parlance, it refers to the 8P8C modular plug. The 8P indicates that the plastic housing has 8 available positions for pins, and the 8C indicates that all 8 of those positions are populated with gold-plated copper contacts. Unlike the smaller RJ11, which only needs 2 or 4 wires for voice, the RJ45 uses all 8 wires found in a standard Ethernet cable to support modern high-speed data. In 10/100 Mbps Ethernet, fast Ethernet, only 4 wires are used for data transmission, but in 1 gigabit 1000 base T and 10 gigabit networks, all 8 wires are utilized simultaneously in a full duplex configuration. The T568A and T568B wiring standards. For a technician, the most critical part of working with RJ45 is mastering the color-coded wiring standards. Since there are 8 wires, they must be arranged in a specific order before being crimped into the connector. There are 2 primary standards, T568A and T568B. T568B is the most common standard used in corporate and residential networking in the United States. The wire order from left to right, with the clip facing away, is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. T568A is often used in government installations or when backwards compatibility with older telephone systems is required. The main difference is that the orange and green pairs are swapped. A straight-through cable uses the same standard at both ends. However, for the exam and fieldwork, you should know that a crossover cable, which has T568A at one end and T568B at the other, was traditionally used to connect 2 similar devices directly, like 2 PCs or 2 switches. Modern hardware uses a feature called AutoMDIX to detect and fix this automatically, making crossover cables largely obsolete. Shielded versus unshielded RJ45. While most RJ45 connectors are clear plastic, you will often see versions encased in a metal shroud. These are shielded RJ45 connectors. They are designed to be used with shielded twisted pair (SDP) cabling. The metal shroud makes contact with the foil shielding inside the cable and the drain wire, grounding the system to prevent electromagnetic interference (EMI). This is essential in industrial environments or server rooms where cables run near high-voltage power lines. Troubleshooting and best practices. The most common point of failure for an RJ45 is the locking tab. If this tab snaps off, the cable will slide out of the port, leading to intermittent connectivity. Technicians often use snagless boots, small rubber covers that protect the tab from getting caught on other cables during a pull. When crimping a new head, the most frequent mistake is not pushing the wires far enough into the connector or leaving too much of the outer jacket stripped back. The plastic jacket crimp should bite down on the outer insulation of the cable, not the individual colored wires. This provides strain relief and prevents the wires from pulling out of their contacts over time.